Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Amrnish 2-pack of shoelaces. We're going to open them up, show you what they look like, test them out, and of course let you know whether or not they're worth buying. So as we get the bag open here, just want to show you kind of up close what the laces look like, and more specifically what the tips look like, and then give you an idea on length. Obviously order appropriate size, but based on thickness and length, these are pretty great. So kind of exactly what I was hoping for. Comes with a 2-pack, obviously, so we got both shoes. I like to keep these also spares in my backpack for sports in case a player loses a lace in their cleats. We have these as backup. So really nice. Actually, so it's a 2-pack, so you actually have 4 laces. Just to clarify, you got 2 sets of shoes. So really nice quality, hard length here, or hard edge here on the tips. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helps. Thanks for watching.